topic namhlanje sizokhuluma ngayo sizokhuluma ngeLLUMINATE. Illuminati yona siyokhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Yona impela siyokhuluma ngayo iLLUMINATE ukuthi ihlangana kanjani, yini umehluko phakathi kweLLUMINATE nobunyanga, yini kahle kahle iLLUMINATE, kwakwenze njani makuthiwa kuneLLUMINATE. But ke ngenhlanhla sithema senze research yethu, we came across a guy kade thandana nomuntu onayo iLLUMINATE. Hey, yezwe
wakhona la kulelizwe,
wakhona la kulelizwe. Unfortunately
ngiyazobuza into eni ikhona ka iLLUMINATE.
0659337172 0659337172 0659337172 iWhatsApp number yethu kuzashoka namhlanje 0659337172. Uhlelo sibanalo njalo ngomsombuluko, ngolesibili, ngolesithathu, ngolesine, ngolesihlanu. Ngizokhumbula ke ukuthi on Monday sinalo loluhlelo olisuke lishayelwa uyena uSibuthu ehamba no DJ Mafikzozo Mafika ngo4 ekseni kuya ku5 o'clock ekseni. Kanti ke ngolesibili usuke khona uProf Khehlelezi, usuke uProf Khehlelezi ehamba yedwa laphana noma ehamba ephelezela ubani. Suke yedwa nje ngibambile lapha sithi Vuma FM semathandweni. Kanti ke ngolesithathu ngisuke ngikhona futhi ngihamba nongizwe Mgcono intombi zamqoma ngoba zimthanda, zazingaphoqiwe, zazingabanjwe ngankani kodwa zazimthanda nje. Welcome to the show. Whoever it is olalele namhlanje oqalayo ukuthi alalele kwi show yethu, show emnandi kakhulu vele ushaye reminder yakho, alarm yakho ihlala ikuvusa, ziyakhipha la zihlala zenze nje zihypena nje. I show yethu it's called the Healing Hour, right? I guess vele sigijime njengamanje bafowethu umuntu esinayo namhlanje. We've got a guy anonymous wethu esinaye all the way from le ngeke sisho ukuthi from kuphi, but somewhere in Joburg, but ngeke sisho ukuthi kuphi Joburg, ngeke sisho ukuthi kuphi Joburg. But we do have a guest today, anonymous, and this guy uke waba nenkinga enkulu kakhulu engizocela ukuthi wonke umuntu lapha khona njengamanje ahlala thule, and ngizwe I know ukuthi vele wena uhlala unembuzo. You are more than welcome to ask this guy, but unfortunately isiZulu sakhe asikho good, umntwana umpedi ukhuluma isipedi but uzosizama isiZulu. Abalaleli, the problem that we're having here, yeah, uyasazi. The problem that we're having here, this guy is sick, uyagula, and njengoba egula uthandane nomuntu kanti lo muntu kwiLLUMINATE, ujoin iLLUMINATE. Apparently it's a girl, it's a lady kade join iLLUMINATE. So we want him to take us back, us explain ukuthi kahle what happened. Anonymous, someone put kunjani mfowethu?
Yaphila lena.
Yeah, everything in that waka kopa ore tlaluzege everything, just explain to us what happened, kahle kwenzakalani.
Ngizama ukucheza ngesiZulu ngikhuluma isipedi sa.
Can you just try Zulu, because most of our listeners are Zulus, even though there are those who are in Joburg who understand, but where you don't know how to explain it in this thing in Zulu, you will go to, it's either Pedi or English, and then I will translate.
Oh, okay. I think it was about 3 years ago. Ngasibana noSamboli lapha eGoli. Okay, sathandana kwabomnandi na impilo yaqhubeka.
Okay, nihlangana kuphi na that somebody?
Sihlala indawo e1. So sihlangana maybe in a restaurant. Bakathenga ukudla nami ngithenga ukudla. Ngiyamazi besikhuluma ngoFacebook, usikhommente ezenzani. And I'm telling you, yes, I'm share my drinks or life sometimes. So you never can think about. She was always busy until Lord, I was doing into a restaurant in Shalanai. See something together. Okay, Nandi. We started talking, hanging out. Okay, Sazwana, Sajola, Nandi. So. When somewhere in.
No, don't mention the place. Don't mention the place.
Okay. So when so bakahlala nami bakavakashela isikhathi siningi lapho ngithola khona. So sometimes siphuma somewhere endleleni bakambuza nje ukuthi mara Angel uhazini wena ngo-Illuminati bakambuza. So ngamtshela ngathi ngathi angasi very much ngayo but ngiyazi ama-hearsays.
Okay, tell me, is this lady rich or does she have money? Is she successful or what?
Yeah, she is. She's got a lot of money. She's successful. Yeah, she's successful in a way. Amazi ukuthi ngichazelenti. So, alambuza ukuthi wena ungasacrifice na ukuthi uwane nemali ngegazi ngane. Ngithola ngithi mina ngimele ngikampani ngasokola pusha ngahustle yami. Hayi mina ngeke. Okay, but bakatambuza ama-strange questions. Ngabe nazi ukuthi lo muntu yini ambuza ama-strange questions. Okay. Until I take this on that guy, kumba something wena umuntu wami. I thought, okay, mina ngazi ukuthi wena njani. Ngizwa khona.
Yangikhona bhuti wami.
Oh, bengazi ukuthi hayi, ngithola had a big surprise for me. Safika kule ndawo. It's one of their houses, it's anonymous houses. Nobody knows about those houses. Okay, sangena lapha. Ngifungana lapha, okay. Ngifuna ukhomba something. That room is three. Kwenye room. Uyabona room yakho incane ngoba room yathing the way it.
Okay. When you're saying this, it's a room, a private room. Is it a suburb or an estate or what? What is it?
No, it's in on inside. That it is a kasi.
Oh, a gas. Oh, gas. Yeah, a gas.
It's nice for a gas, but it just that's good to leave the corner. So what's in your
Yeah, right. Is it at night or during the day?
I've worked like before 12.
At night?
Oh, in the morning, maybe.
Or in the morning?
Yeah.
All right.
Asangena lapha. Makafuli unyango kule room. Okay, lapha ngabona igroup. I think about everything more than 4. So
What did you say?
ngabona igroup.
Yeah, a group, yeah.
Yeah, more than 4. So they were put nicely arranged. Yabona ukuthi altar lapha. Khona istilo khona in front of igroup.
Ukhona ini?
Istilo a chair. Like I mean,
Okay, a chair.
yeah, a chair. There was a chair.
Yeah.
So, ngingena lapha ngiyafreeza ngathi ba busy. Yabona. Mangithi something that some girls sanjalo ukuthi qina ngokuthi ngigcine. Hayithi ngiyabeza hayi man. Kunezinyoka enkulu.
There was you're saying there was a snake? A big snake?
It was a big one. So
Was it alive? What is alive?
yes, it was, but they said it was still. It was almost like camouflaged with the wall. It was almost impossible not to. You have to be very careful, like you could have to be concentrating to see it. So I'm there. So I'm there. I feel like there's something very big, there is something behind me. So there's a voice in my head telling me, which I guess in Indoda, Puma, Kona, Manzi, Puma, Banz. Okay, my Puma. I've been shaking at it. So I'm booze out here. You need to listen to the yes. Can I learn to the high man? If you have rented out to a certain Sangoma individual, she's not telling me the truth yet. I said, okay, so why when you come here, you take me straight to that room? Because those things are not yours. Why were not open to those things? Yeah, one. Okay, then. Yeah, well, I'm Muslim. I think it's in Pubiling up
And then manpu malapana niya nisa kamereni or no waphuza manzi ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi how were you feeling by then?
Like I was busy, blinking, I was shaking. I was dizzy. It's almost like in the house I could faint, but something gave me strength.
But you are born in when you now are born a Hurwen Utsuhile or a born a Hurwen Utsuhile.
So even though she was answering, you could feel what she's lying. She was making up. She was like, "Abambale." So now man bag engine from where I was sitting outside. Man bag a kitchen on the floor. Ay man, Dr. Khehlelezi, kunegazi lapho.
Igazi, where Igazi Nelitwakai? Where was it coming from?
Listen to it. So man from outside where I was sitting. Now we are engine, but not in that room. It was like in the kitchen. It's not far from where I was standing. So now we are on a beggar. Time man, ngiyakhonisama vele igazi. Ngathi ukuchithwe igazi, ugazi basule nge-newspaper. Yabona uma basule nge-newspaper. Kusali imark uyabonala ukuthi landa ngokugazi.
Wait, I'm trying to get this because even umlaleli manje, they've got too much questions which they are asking themselves. The blood, there was blood. That blood, was it coming from you or from the lady or from that snake or from where? Where was the blood coming from? From your own perspective, when that blood, where was it coming from?
The blood, to be honest, I'm not sure where the blood was coming from because the blood, it was not in the room where Lezintos were called.
Yeah.
It was more like in the living room, but on the floor.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's continue.
Yeah, so I asked, what is this blood doing here? So I we have to go to la since uthole ukuthi bakabulala inkukhu la ngathi hayi ma ayikho yonke lento lokhulumayo. So and the person just happened to walk in, then I noticed, right, there's nothing wrong with this guy, super normal, but he's not a South African citizen. But the person, the guy is not a South African citizen. So Makuma and I, like a pre-interview, check out to Winja, oh, the guy's okay, he's fine. Then I said to the lady, I couldn't stand being in that place anymore. I'm just going to this massive hand. Then we left, so I get a motor. There's how many motor. You have bees at the occasion. You have bees. Yeah, it was a very expensive car.
Oh, if you're saying you have bees, it was a very expensive car. She's driving super sport cars. Yes, those super sport top cars. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I read the road this time. I had lots of questions. She always had lying answers. Okay, fine. Until this other day, I love you so much. I said, okay. Then she told me what those things I have. They were passed on to her, I think, like by the family member. She told me a lot of stuff. And then she told me where they got them from. And those things, they make them money. And then she was showing me because she wanted me to join.
She wanted you to join. What were you supposed to join? And how were you going to join that?
She didn't precisely say how am I going to join, but she wanted me to join whatever she was involved in. So to my understanding, I thought maybe Illuminati because you always ask me about Illuminati.
She always asks you about Illuminati.
Yes, do I know?
Okay, right. I want you to jump now and go where you're saying you had a dream. And then this dream, there was something which was like entering into your body like a fish, because we just left with 5 minutes. So I just want to let the listeners to come in and ask questions. So I want you to go straight where you had a dream when you were sleeping with her.
Oh, okay. So it happened that, before then, it happened that when we were sleeping, I dreamt that she turned into a black snake. that it was wrapping me around all over my body.
She tend to be a black snake.
But in a dream.
Okay.
Yeah, in a dream, she was like a black snake. She wrapped me around all over my body. Then when I woke up, I'm there. Hey, she's awake, fella. She's watching me. Then I was like, hi, why didn't you wake me up? And she said, hi, man. I thought you were tired, man. I was like, okay, it's fine. Then I went back to sleep. And then, relationship, and then we break up. So when we break up, she said to me, I know you don't know me very well. And I was like, so I'll show you who I am. Yeah, Indoda. I told Pavele, I'm not sure if it was a dream or what, but it was like she was standing next to my bed. It's like I could see and feel everything that was happening. But then I called Uti, imphume man kulento ngathi gas or magnet like or a vision angazi ukuthi ngithini. So lo muntu lapha azamfida ifish. Yabona ifish ngathi ifish yasemfuleni.
Yeah, the fish, yeah.
Yeah, yasemfuleni leyo bayithengisa emgwaqweni yabona.
Yeah.
So
lethanda ungizwe yeah.
Yeah, wangizwa abantu wangisa nangisa. So the last bite man after solo I woke up,
Okay, my brother. All right. Ma utwena nilele, right? It's after the incident of that small house that you went in.
Yeah, it's a lot after that.
Right. When after coming from that small house, are you still sleeping with her?
So, like, it was something. It was like something has changed in me. Even Nabat Taliban, but I'm Joe, you have changed. It's like you were submissive to the person. You would listen to everything she was saying.
Okay, right. And then you had a dream, then the fish?
Yeah, and then I woke up and I felt the thing ngohambo esuswini. So ekhaya, I went to ikhona isonto wangenayo. Ngaya khona bansile. Okay, sharp. Impilo yaqhubeka ngaphupha nami emaphupheni. Everything akhuluma ngangami Facebook and everything mina ngaphuma kuyo. I dream yabuya futhi. But this time it came back, it was a guy. Angishaya like I was telling you, like we are going hash.
Yeah.
Yeah, she on the feet. He called or something like a steel they put there. Like what?
Yeah.
It's like a steel. Ukuthi angazi ukuthi ihash ingalimali ngoba yini.
Yes.
Yeah. Lo muntu angishaya ngalento esuswini belele. Mangishaya ngayo. I woke up, I felt the pain in real life, man. Ngishaya ngilele, but after meeting I woke up. Then I could feel there's something there.
Robert Iliana by then again. Oh, she was not there.
Long.
Mara, there is one stupid question that I have. Were you still kissing with this lady?
When?
Even though after the room and after the incident, were you guys kissing and everything was normal?
But like, let me tell you, everything was normal. She had this thing of whatever she told me, I believed.
Oh, now for Khehlelezi, was she giving you money?
Not really, and I was not very in that thing of asking her money because I understand the love and all, but she was always giving, always spending money like let's go this way, let's go there, let's do that, let's do that. She also bought another house where she and I could live as well. You understand? She said, you know what, we're not gonna visit you at your home or my home or rent or what. I'm gonna buy a house where we both.
Mana, what kind of the business the woman does? Because or she just collect money from all these couples.
She's good. I'm a business. Then Prof Khehlelezi.
Okay, can you not say those business because some of them maybe they will realize Kimang because she's famous. All I can say she's famous and she got businesses and she's big in business and I know her again. I know.
Oh, you know her now.
Right,
let's continue, my brother.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, so that's actually what really happened. So now it's been over a year. I'm struggling at this thing. Like it cannot go out. I went to people can't help. They tried, they did this and that. It's like you can feel this thing. Like it's moving now, so we can move from my abdomen. Yahamba ngathi enhlizweni, yayifile lapha enhlizweni iyashaya. Ihamba ngathi iye my left arm.
Okay, we've got a question, my brother, here from Ungizwe.
Ukhona yini umuntu osifazane okwazi ukuthandana naye after lona noma selokhu nje wabopheka lapha?
Yeah, Ukona. It was too early, and then something strange. It happened to one of them, the one I had a long-term relationship with after lwayo. Mangelelayo sometime antshela ukuthi isju ngathi ngifilo ngathi something yahamba esuswini sami. Ngathuka.
Your girlfriend is telling you that there is something which is moving in her stomach.
Yeah, it was just after we
And then yesterday you once told me that this lady, when you guys were having arguments after separation, she gave you a call and she said you are no longer alive, you are dead.
Dead. Yes, it was long after it was on Facebook. I mean WhatsApp. She was talking to me on WhatsApp and everything, and so I blocked her. And somebody said to me, you know what? Unblock her. She will tell you something, Lomond. Okay, so I unblocked her. So I tell her, when I tell her, feel the real you feel, I'll sapila when work 7 days away. Like how can you say something like this when? Okay. Then after then, I tell her I'm a pooper twice. I'm a pooper is pooper in silly. The same another person like me. Some surprised to remove down. So another thing I want to tag and pelling feel with the hotel Joloma would say, we're feeling and thought I am more. So meaning I want to say some Kumanoma, and fine, here I am. But my only body and lap and didn't feel it. It's pretty family lazy. Nanguma. So it was trying and promoting feel it, and losses and chela and I would feel it, and then
Okay, my brother. All right, let's do this now. Let's go straight to our callers. 086-10-300. If you've got any question, you are more than welcome to ask him the questions. Anonymous from Johannesburg. You can ask our questions, whatever question. But now, and I wanted to explain this Illuminati thing, and I wanted to go deeper, Papa. If ever asistoli isikhathi enough time because ngiyabona isikhathi sethu sincane, because I wanted to explain this deeper and the difference between inyanga, isangoma, neLluminati, and ukuthi connect kanjani Christianity and all that. But I think izo explain kahle. We will explain that kahle on Tuesday morning. But today let's deal with our anonymous la ukhona 086-10-300, because this topic yale ndoda, we need a solution. We need to siphume ne-answer ukuthi kwenzakani, because ukhuluma iqiniso uthukile. No, lo muntu ufike kumina is a client. Ngamhlolela, ngayihlola lento ngingayazi, ngayihlola, then waseyaqala ke waba open up. No, and kampela ikhona into kanje. So yangithusa nami, ngathuka. Yabona mawuqala ukukhuluma ngenyoka, ngiyathuka nami because I'm scared of inyoka. So I guess izwe imibuzo yabantu 086-10-300. You know what, today
nesonto lehashelela lishoyo ilokhu njana lapha kunezizwe esikhandwa ngale yanto. Isonto lehasho biyashe ligijima kangaka nje.
Right. Into ngifuna kunabanye osisi abaphila ku relationship ekanjalo, baphila nabantu abanawo leyo nto Illuminati. And ngesizulu abantu bavele bathi uthwele. They don't understand yini ukuthwala yini Illuminati. On Tuesday I want to explain all that. Sizoyi explain. Listen here, I will tell you one thing is kune virus. I-virus ilashwa ngani? Ngenkunzumala ngama-virus okuthiwa yini i-antivirus.
Yes.
Kunani njengamanje sine corona. I-corona sithe ilashwa ngani? Nge-vaccine, of which inkunzumala ngayani yomkhuhlane. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini?
Ngizwa kahle.
Sizoya Tuesday.
Ufakwa omkhuhlane stronger than
exactly. Thank you. On Tuesday we'll be explaining with kahle yini Illuminati yaqala kuphi Illuminati isetshenziswa abantu abanje, but today ngifuna abantu bake babuze imibuzo kule ndoda. 086 10 10 086 10 300 086 10 300. You know, on Tuesday we'll also explain ukuthi umuntu onelluminati umbona kanjani, because we do have abantu abanelluminati, but abantu they are failing to see.
Ngizwa pheshelo uzothi umculo wapheshelo na
we'll explain all that. We will explain all that. Ukuthi iqala umuntu kanjani onayo umbona kanjani, all that. But njengamanje siya kumlaleli. Vuma sabona? Yes, but kunjani?
Good.
Right, mfowethu awubuze na ile ndoda ikhona la.
Ngifuna ukubuza kule ndoda ukuthi mhlambe le ndoda engabona mhlambe kwakungekho mhlambe ukudla kwestress okukhonzela umuntu wesifazane ubona ukuthi lento ayijwayele mhlambe ukudla umuntu wesifazane.
Ngiyasola ukazi na uthande lo muntu onjalo, maybe wambona edla okunye ukudla.
Ukuthi uma ngabe khulunywa into la professor ngizama ukuyidrayisa lekhanda masishi.
Nah, no problem, ufana nami mfowethu, ake sizwe ukuthi uthini. Ntate wakhe utheng. He's asking you that if you were guys going out leisure, was she eating a normal food?
Yeah, well, it's food, man. Normal food.
If you say she ate strange food, what kind of the food that you are talking about?
Okay, let me explain. I wouldn't necessarily say strange, but let me explain. Like when we go out to eat, you know, people would like to eat something nice and everything. She would constantly like to eat pap, namasonja. She would eat something out of the ordinary, man.
Okay, listeners, abalaleli njengamanje, I want to explain to them. If he's saying pap and namasonja, amasonja yawazi uthini?
Ngiyawazi inuno lesedliwa
venda. It's like worms, and I like them. I like them. But should number that in Illuminati yabo. Bazosho kanjalo because le nto uma ngithwa seZimbabwe, vele Zimbabwe kudliwa yona. Ilento le ngangisaba qala nami. No, not iphila, ngiyisaba mayiphila because inameva, iyahlaba, inako vend ikhona le nto. But mase beyibulele, bayomisa, it's like a biltong. Bayifaka ipelepele, mnandi. Okay, let's go ahead.
And another practice is that I tend to eat raw meat. Yeah, when you eat raw, maybe like so we take meat from the fridge, jalo.
Ay! Uyakhala ungizwe uthi
iphubezi.
But I think if we should take a piece of meat, I see.
I've tried the psychologist. I've tried the psychology. Ngiyammakela lo muntu khuluma iqiniso lo muntu. Mayikhuluma ngiyawaza amakhodi. Ngiyawaza amakhodi amanga. Khuluma iqiniso lo muntu.
Vuma sawubona.
Lo muntu khuluma iqiniso lo muntu.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila siswami kunjani?
Bwani.
Obang anonymous. Sacela ukubuza ubhuti ukuthi what happened kule ntombazane bekathandana nayo owathi bathe beqeda ukulala wazi ngathi there's something moving kulokhuzane esiswini sakhe.
Can I ask you a question, my sister?
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you experienced such problem now no guy thizeni? Because ngifuna ukuzwa ngibamba i-question yakho ukuthi kunento okway experience to such maybe you guy.
No. But then ukuthi angithi now uye usefake ingane yabantu enkingeni.
Okay, my brother.
Msize ngayo yena.
Uyawuza umbuzo kaPhukasisi?
Yeah, ngiyambona.
After sleeping with the lady, after feeling something, what is happening in your life right now?
Okay, so what happened is after Angela, she felt something moving. So in the morning, Angela, it's very selfish. I had this experience, this and that. So angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani evening out. So is it possible ukuthi ungahamba uhlole and then sibone ukuthi senze njani? And then she said, okay, but she said, okay, I'll do that. In the morning.
You giving the lady the money?
I'm giving her because she's telling me to feel like it's something after she's
Oh, your girlfriend now, your current girlfriend.
Yeah, so I'm saying to feel like something move. So I'm telling you, so I had this experience, so I have maybe the person who learn to put my email or what. So now imani, so we follow to win the so we work until to usolile abathi abona ababoni next maybe it is just something so ngamtshela ukuthi mara ungayithathi simple.
I have this problem. Were you still going to stay in that relationship, to be honest?
Honest, okay, maybe bengizoza ne-solution. I understand what did you do? I understand asambe if lo muntu bengizobe ngimthanda ngempela, I understand.
Ngeke sisungekuthanda lutho siswami iqiniso lihle.
Hayi uthando njalo. Alukho nje uthando njalo papa. Lutho nje ngeshubane.
Yoshona. Okay, siyabonga siswami. All right, 086 10 300, 086 10 300. If you've got any question, feel more than free ukuthi ubuze noma yini ofuna ukuyibuza njengamanje ubhuti ukhona 086 10 300. Nikhumbuleke ukuthi sina ifamasi kaKhehlelezi laphana eMaritzburg ngase Home Affairs ku 176 Peter Marais, kanti khona enye laphana eseThekwini ongahambi uyothola izinto zakho kahle vuma sawubona
eMaritzburg ngase Home Affairs.
Asivali radio baba, yebo uyaphila?
Yebo kunjani?
Siyaphila bhuti wami, nawo ubhuti ukhona, mbuzo.
Yebo, mina ngicela nje ukubuza lapha bhuti wami ukuthi ingabe ubhuti lona wathi beqala ukumbona kwaba ukuthi uyamphila ngendlela ukuthi uyamthanda noma kwaba something athi emotional engqondweni yakhe emdida ukuze athande lo sisi na noma nje wavele wamthanda nje uyamthanda nje. Ngiyabonga futhi.
Hello. Yeah, pendula baba wami, uyawubuza umbuzo. The question is, when you met this lady, umthandile ngoba umthanda noma something edidile evele yakonfuse wayithola umthanda, kwenzakaleni?
Something normal, ufuna umuntu ku Facebook uyakhomenta. I would run into her every now and then ekasi. Sihamba kuma dates, sakhuluma, something was built. Something nice was built. It wasn't just an overnight thing. So sahlala sakhuluma, sayama date, sayetshwala emnyana, sayenzani. Senza izinto zabantu in the first process of ukuthandana bayenzayo. So something nice and special was built. So I wouldn't say something tricked me with the intent, but I can tell you something definitely must have tricked me with inshallah after you won a legend Angsunga Ankombezo.
Alright, that's Mambo Moon. Vuma Sabon 086 10 300. This is Vuma 103 Skatsa. It's 7 minutes before 5 o'clock. Khehlelezi Njalo of Monday to Friday from 4 to 5 o'clock. Vuma Sabona.
Hello, Professor.
Yes, my brother, kunjani? Right, hlale mbuzweni baba wami.
Right, mina ngicela ukubuza dokotela ngithuthi indaba yale ndoda ngoba ngazi ngingathanda nomuntu osifazana ababithi 2008. Ngaba nenkinga yokuhlungu kwesisu. Ngaphinde shuthi ngohamba sahlukana. Ngathola umunye kuma wengane saba nomunye nengane. Naye wakhala ngesisu esibuhlungu. Manje le nto dokotela isiyangithusa na.
Shokothi ubulala no baba Snake.
Angisho njalo kodwa nje ngaqala ukusuka nenkinga yokuhlungu kwesisu kusuka ngo-2008. Sayike mhlawumbe ukugula ukuphila.
Okay, bhuti wami sizoba ne-solution. Uhlale kanjani emsakazweni yezwa? Thank you, my brother. Right, 086 10 300, 086 10 300 is show you to see ngokuyophela. We are only left with 5 minutes. If you've got any question, can you please phone in and ask 086 10 300 uhleli no Prof Khehle lama Khehle uhleli naye indumandumane uhleli naye dictionary and anonymous all the way from Joburg. A problem unayo ingxaki unayo bahlekazi bapha baseKapa namhlanje baqebela ngoba kusekhona uKing Noba xa sesithetha ngezinto eziserious bayabaleka bayoyika baseKapa eKapa ngoba sawubona siyaphila futhi kanjani
Ayizivile nawe ndize ngayo umuntu khona simiyayele kodwa manje into engibhidayo na mkhulu nathi la ifika ngena khona kuleyo ngene ku ukuleya uthi wabona inyoka and then atela yini ukuthi fanele aphume lapha and then lengabe alam explainele lesikuthi yini njani leya uhlalani lapha emveni kwalokho wabuya wayekhishini engabe seyekhishini wafika igazi waphinde futhi wagibele imoto yakhe awuboni ngani ukuthi ubhuti futhi naye uyazi ukuthi lapha ngiyayizenzela kahle futhi wachazela yena futhi wabuza akhuluma iqiniso yena akhuluma iqiniso ukuze mhlawumbe uzofika kahle
entate waka my brother Barry, you know something about this. You knew, actually you knew. So why didn't you run away? You're not even supposed to go in that car after seeing that snake. To be honest, if it was me, it's a snake, I was not even going to go into that house because who knows, what if I find another snake there? Why ungabalekanga?
Okay. I think so first to answer well, I didn't know anything. Like he said, or did suggest with me bengazi anything until Angela would I want to show you some things of mine. I went to Abaza. Like I'm saying to you, she had houses nobody knew about. So and she took me to one of the houses. And I was like, okay, she's revealing to me her things. We are in a relationship, you know. Okay, son, there's nothing wrong. Until we got in the house. When we got in the house, then she went to this room. When she opened the door, the sliding door, when she opened, then that is what I saw. You understand, Dr. Khehlelezi?
Yeah, I can understand that.
Yeah. Then I said to you, I froze, not freeze and all. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, my freezer. This is, I'm not sure.
Akufanele sisakunike from Hemani imali yokuthi uye kwi-counseling because I understand mfethu yazi uvele
Nangibheka kahle ngiyabona ukuthi no
morose
like next to the amagroup so it's very inyoka. Then I felt something behind me. It was a heavy man. It was something like a very strong something I don't know.
Okay, asenze kanje asibambe omunye ogcina sibone ukuthi bathini. Vuma sawubona. Vuma sawubona. Okay, my brother, how are you?
Ikhona futhi. Kodwa isikhathi Nkosi yami.
Isikhathi mfowethu ene ebisamnandi lento ngaba nami ngisafuna ukuchaza kahle kahle yini Illuminati because people are interested in hearing ukuthi kahle what is Illuminati and I will explain this and mase ngi-explain ngizwe bukhona bazovala ama radio baqashe ngoba ngizoyichaza lento.
Kodwa mkhulu noma 10 minutes ayahayi.
Mfowethu ngamuphi 10 minutes we are only left with a minute mfowethu sisele a minute and I still want to explain this ngifuna ukuyichaza lento ye-Illuminati.
Enkulu hey
ngolesibili mfowethu ngizoyichaza yonke everything zophahlaza yonke into phahla bazongizonda
ngolesibili on the show
exactly not the show.
Alright, sure.
Thank you my brother. Ngicela ukuthi abantu ngolesibili on Tuesday invite your friend and ngiyafuna ukuthi uinvite nalabo abathi imithi abayisebenzisa konke ngizoyiveza and mangiyiveza lento yabona from the beginning of the show ngizobe ngiyichaza for the first 30 minutes ngichaza ngeIlluminati kahle the definition of Illuminati. And then the last 30 minutes ngifuna ukudedela abalaleli bafone and ask questions because khona abanye ezobashaya abanye izobaveza obala ukuthi some of them are using it. Do you know ukuthi Illuminati ihambi control ngisho your feelings? Hey madoda abantu aba understand. Futhi siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu, thanks for your time and ngisazokusiza as I promised ukuthi angeke ngikhokhise, I will help you for free. Uzobuya so right, mase right, we will then bring you into the show. Uzosho ukuthi so right because ngipromisile ukuthi I will help you. We need to get imbuzi, then after getting imbuzi sizoyithatha lento sisizwe. Uyezwa bhuti wami?
Alright,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Right,
What unezothe strong ngoba into eyiningi uyakwazi ukuthi abuye.
but let me tell you engasekho ngizwe. Lo muntu sewafa.
Awahleni.
Hey, yabona manje. Ngikutshela manje of akayekho. Lo muntu akasekho, is no longer living. And mase siyomvusa. Sizothi masimvusa kukhona into ezoyenzeka. Akafanga ukuthi ufile wancwatshwa. Ufile isithunzi sakhe asikho. Is not recognized. Idlozi lakhe lisamazi. Edlozi nda. Uthwebulekile. The day simbuyisa, the day ngimbuyisa, something amazing ezothusa umndeni wakhe ezoyenzeka. And nomndeni wakhe uzoqala uphaphama. Lo muntu akasaphili. Lento ngimbamba izolo esowetho ngihlola. Ngiqala ukuhlola mina mangisegoli ngiqala ngo3 ukuhlola. Ngimbambe bekuyosha u5 ekseni. Wakhuluma umoya engcwele kimi ngamlandela yinini. Ngathi buya la. Uthe mayibuya ngaqala ngamtshela ngambizela igama lalo sisi. Ngathi ubani umuntu abathuzi bani? Wathuka wakhala inyembezi. Ngathi ungakhali. Ngambeka eceleni ngathi khala uqede. Uthe mayikhala eqeda ngathi buya la. Wena ngelanga elikanje kunendlo angena kuyona kanje ngamkhazela yonke into enakasaphili. But Tuesday asikhulumeni ngalento. Izojula le topic. Asihlangane negama lakhe on Saturday kusasa uzobe khona uMizo, uzobe khona uKing Nuba, uzobe khona uMelu Simbokazi, uzobe khona uFikile, uzobe khona uJumbo, bazobe khona nje abaculi kakhulu. Kushubile igama lakhe laphana olwandle what school ngaseBoxer. Asidibaneni khona madoda kushubile on Tuesday madoda kuzoshuba.